Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I am Zahwa with college study number K1390032. Today I'm going to talk about icosahedron. First of all, I'd like to talk about what is icosahedron. Definition of icosahedron. An icosahedron is a regular polyhedron with 20 congruent equilateral triangles faces. It is one of the 5 platonic solids. The name comes from Greek, meaning 20, and hydra, meaning seed. The plural can be either icosahedrons or icosahedra. An icosahedron is a regular polyhedron that has 20 faces. All the faces are equilateral triangles and are all congruent, that is, all the same size. It is one of the 5 platonic solids. The faces is 20, it is an equilateral triangles, and it is 30, and the vertices is 12. Next, move on to the dimension. If the edge length of a regular icosahedron is at the radius of a circumscribed sphere, one that touches the icosahedron at all vertices is RU equals A over 2 times the square root of null set times the square root of 5 in brackets equals A over 4 times the square root of 10 plus 2 times the square root of 5 in brackets equals AS. And the radius of an inscribed sphere hanging to each of the icosahedron's faces is Ri equals the null set to the power of 2 times A over 2 times the square root of 3 equals the square root of 3 over 12 times 3 plus the square root of 5 in a brackets times A, approximately 0.755. Well, the mid radius, which touches the middle of each edge, is Rm equals A times the null set over 2 equals 1 over 4 times 1 plus the square root of 5 in brackets times A equals A times cos P over 5. And about area and volume, the surface area A and the volume V of a regular icosahedron of each length AR, the area equals 5 times the square root of 3 times A to the power of 2, approximately 8.6602540 A squared. And the volume equals 5 over 12 times 3 plus the square root of 5 in a bracket times A cubed, approximately 2.18169499 A cubed. And what is icosahedron use and natural forms? In biology, many viruses, e.g. herpes virus, have icosahedral shells. Viral structure are built or repeated identical protein subunit known as capsomers, and the icosahedron is the easiest shape to assemble using this subunit. And in chemistry, the icosahedrons are chemical compounds with shape very close to icosahedron. Icosahedral twinning also occurs in crystals, especially nanoparticles. And toys and games. In several role-playing games such as Dungeons and Dragons, the 20-sided die D24 shard is commonly used in. So, well, I've told you about icosahedron. I guess that's all enough. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.